All right, Joan Cow on YouTube. My daughter has her interview for her green card at the end of June, but she didn't take the vaccine. Do you think this will be a problem for her at the interview?
Yes, she needs to take the vaccine or get a waiver. Waivers are very hard to get.
Daryl Winnabaugh on YouTube. Can someone who got his 10-year green card and enrolled in the U.S. Army and divorced from his wife apply for citizenship within 1 year in the Army?
Yes.
Marge Higgs on Facebook. My friend is going to petition for a fiancé visa for her boyfriend who has a 13-year-old daughter. How long do you think it will take for him to get to America, and will his 13-year-old come along with him when his fiancé's visa is approved?
A little over a year, and the daughter can come as a K2.
Okay, Sola on YouTube. At what point does a VAWA applicant get a work permit after filing I-360 and work permit separately under C-09? Is it after the prima facie is approved? I did fingerprints over 6 months ago.
If you file a VAWA with an adjustment under C-09, you're supposed to get a work permit in 90 days, but it's usually 6, 7, 8 months. If you don't file the adjustment under C-09, you do it under C-31, you got to wait for the VAWA to get approved, which takes 3 years.
Okay, sorry. Okay, Everblessed Andrea on YouTube. How long will it take if I do a provisional waiver and extreme hardship for me to come back in the USA?
Provisional waivers take about a year and change.
And Rosemary Elliott on Facebook. I've been waiting for an interview in medical since last August for my boys back home in Jamaica. Haven't heard anything since then. Is there any way to speed up the process?
Make a humanitarian request to expedite it. Maybe they're young kids. They got nobody to watch them. I don't know.
Zin Sako Mama Somar on YouTube. Master hearing, is it required that the prosecutor has to be present with the lawyer, or is it not necessary?
The master counter hearing, you have a trial attorney who is the prosecutor.
Okay, Dial Austin on YouTube. If a minor had a green card and their parents filed an I-407 when they were 14 without their knowledge, can they get back their LPR status, even though a few years have passed since it was returned?
As long if it's done while you're under 14, and when you reach the age of majority, which is 18, you go to the U.S. Embassy and you say, hey, I never intended to give up my residence, they'll give it back to you. But if you're not 18 anymore and you're 26, I'm going to say you abandoned your residence.
Marie Maxwell on Facebook. Can you please tell me which application I filed to adjust status to a U.S. citizen by marriage?
I-45, I-130, I-130A, I-864, I-765, I-131.
Daryl Winnabaugh on YouTube. My wife just applied for citizenship in the marriage, and in the marriage section, my current status is pending COS to students from B2. Will this have any impact on my COS application? If yes, in what way?
No impact.
Deshaun on YouTube. NVC case DQ from January 5th, 2021. Priority date is November 30th, 2008. The problem is my daughter will soon turn 21. Can she be protected by Child's Act?
I don't know. We would need to know more about your case under the Child Status Protection Act, but I would write the embassy and say, my daughter's going to turn 21. We need to expedite this.
Okay, and we have Mamita Christian on Facebook. I did an interview for naturalization through marriage, and USCIS requested an RFE. These documents were sent in. Now, how long does it take for USCIS to give a response?
At least 120 days.
Ebo Brown Akuo on Facebook. How do I bring my wife here very quickly? I'm a permanent resident of United with a green card.
Well, you can file for her. That's the quickest way to do it. File the I-130. Maybe she's entitled to some sort of non-immigrant visa. That I don't know.
Andrew Lopez on YouTube. I've been married for, Omugabi and Samba on YouTube. Can my divorced wife be given a visa to bring my children that I filed in my approved asylum?
Can my divorced wife
be given a visa?
To accompany her children? No. Divorced wife has no relationship to you anymore. The kids go on the plane unaccompanied, or you can go back. Well, no, you can't go back to the place where you got the asylum, but your kids get on the plane unaccompanied and they meet you in the United States.
All right.
Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.